Welcome back to the bench, and we've got a quick video today. It's a Bryston 2B. I wasn't powering on, and it just so happens that these have this remote switch, so you can flip it on and you can turn the amp on from adding 12 or 15 volts or something. Useful if you've got a whole bunch of these that you want to turn on all at once. And there's a relay on there which I think also does a soft start. So we had a bit of a catastrophic failure with the relay, the thyristor, and this 22 ohm resistor had gone open circuit as well. The relay took some time to get hold of, bit unobtainium these days. And I just wanted to really make a video showing how I soldered these pins further back into the board. As you can see here, they're kind of poking out, and because they're poking out so much, it's really hard. It's hard enough to get this in and out anyway, but with those cables poking out, it was even harder. So let's just see if we can get this put back in. Okay, before I screw it back together, I'll probably give it a good clean on the inside as well while I'm here. See if it turns on. Yes! Epic! And one of the best things about working with the Brystons is the famous Robertson screwdriver, which I think is the best that there's been designed. But there you go. Okay, I've connected it to my TB2. Everything's fine, both channels. Obviously I scoped it out first to make sure it's safe to connect. The job's good. Catch you next time.